I'm at Parris RV in Payson. Here it's a beautiful day. The sun is shining, making me want to go on a camping adventure in an RV. I'm here with Brett from Parris RV and then Mike from Forest River. And you guys, I grew up glamping in these amazing RVs. This was so exciting for me to see all these amazing new ones here on display today. But Brett, let's start with you. Tell us a little bit about your amazing service centers.
Yeah, so Parris RV has 4 locations, one in southeastern Idaho and Pocatello, 2 in Salt Lake County, and then of course this super center down in Payson. And we've got 41 service bays, 40-ish technicians. Of course, we have a lot of service, other service people, like parts support, warranty people, and the main thing we were doing here today is training them directly from the factory, because we need to be able to do our job better and make sure that people can go out on vacation, take their family out, and have a great time and not have to worry about their trailer breaking down.
Well, right. That's one of the biggest worries when you go into those trips. Mike, I want to loop you in because you're here with us all the way from Indiana, right? And we're so excited about this event that's taking place right here in Payson. Talk to us about what's going on here.
Yes, this event actually started when Brett and I were talking out at one of a manufacturer dealer event, and he had a commitment towards the customer experience, and it's a passion I share. And we talked about how we could elevate that experience, and really that's just making the experience better by eliminating frustrations in a more timely manner. And so we put on this event where we can enable the technicians to service quicker, better, even brought in 6-7 of the major vendors to the industry, and it's a huge deal. Brett actually shut down all of his service centers for this event, brought in every technician he has, with the end goal of just making our customers have a better experience when they're out there RVing.
Well, this is so cool that this is happening right here in Utah. I've been walking around. There's people learning things all over the place. Brett, tell us what kind of courses are going on right now and what are they learning?
Yeah, so keep in mind, all of these trainers came from other parts of the country to come and do this event. They're taking skin off of the side of a trailer. They're taking roofs off the top of a trailer. They're taking out water tanks, learning out how to fix appliances, slide outs, electrical systems, just really anything you can think of to train the technicians. And the big thing with this is, in the past you had to send your technicians to Indiana to get trained. Really, sending my 40 guys would be very difficult. And so the fact that Forest River has spent the time and the effort and the money to come right out to our area, they shipped special trailers out here. They sent all kind of components out here, along with the other vendors like GE and Lippert and Firefly, some of the other different things that go into these RVs. They came out here to train not only just our guys, but they invited technicians from all over the West. So there's guys here from California, Idaho, all the surrounding states, but even all the way from Canada, technicians have been sent to Payson, Utah to come and do this event. And keep in mind, again, this is the very first time outside of Indiana that something like this has happened. And it really says to me the level of commitment that Forest River has to this business. And of course, we at Parris RV spend a lot of time trying to figure out how to do better. But what's really nice about this, I have a guy that I was talking to, one of my guys yesterday. He's a technician that's been doing this 30 years. And I said, do you learn anything? And he said, I learned something today I wish I would have known decades ago, because it would have saved me a lot of time and I could have done a better job. So it's just really important for our industry. These RVs are man-made by Americans in American factories, really for our families to go out and take their families out on a vacation and have a great time. And we want them to have the very best experience available. And Parris RV and Forest River, of course, being one of the largest manufacturers in the world, are committed to doing that.
Well, Brett and Mike, I think what they're trying to say is that our customers are in great hands. You guys are making sure that everything is running just right in time for the summer season, so we can go on those fun adventures. When is the right time to come in and get your RV serviced?
Well, I would always think that for sure the off season is better, or the shoulder season, when it's right in the middle of summer. Boy, everybody just pulled their RV out. They find things, they want to come in, and it's not that we can't accommodate them. We can. It just gets busier and it gets harder to take everybody at the same time. So if you have a need, please come in, in the off season or shoulder season.
They will have you taken care of. You can check out ParrisRV.com for more information. Mike, I hope you enjoy your time in Utah.
Thank you.
And we are sending it back into the studio for more.